Introducing Knowledge Cine Lighting Reflector LiteFlow. Now let's take a look at the K1 kit, which includes reflectors of various diffusion types and sizes, along with 2 tool kits and a cleaning kit. Please wear specialized gloves when handling the reflectors, and clean the reflectors immediately after use. Spray the cleaning solution evenly on the surface. Let it sit for 10-15 seconds. Wipe the surface with the cleaning cloth. Avoid reusing the same cloth for effective cleaning. For installation, begin by attaching the rail mount stud WMS, slide it into the bottom of the guide slot, and then tighten it clockwise at the desired position. If needed, you can connect multiple reflectors using the optional flexible arms. Feel free to combine multiple accessories for versatile applications.